News alert, and you are looking live at a massive water main break in West Hollywood, Los Angeles. The major flooding.
A massive cleanup operation is now underway in Los Angeles and West Hollywood after a
Look at this. Look at this. Down the hill.
Of that water. Look at that. Look at it. Well, again, I've never seen anything like it. There's a sheriff's department over there across the street.
Water main break floods West Hollywood, open sinkhole. A massive water main break sent torrents of water through a West Hollywood neighborhood early Thursday, flooding streets, damaging vehicles, creating a large sinkhole and forcing widespread road closures near the Sunset Strip. The rupture occurred shortly before 4 a.m. on a 36-inch water transmission pipe operated by the Los Angeles Department of Water and Power, LADWP. The high-pressure break sent water rushing down Palm Avenue and surrounding streets, inundating underground parking garages, stranding vehicles, and disrupting traffic across one of the city's busiest corridors. Firefighters responded to rescue residents from flooded underground structures while public works crews worked to isolate the damaged pipeline. No serious injuries were immediately reported. LADWP officials said water to the damaged line was shut off after crews gradually closed large underground valves to avoid causing additional damage to the aging distribution system. The utility said repair work would begin once floodwaters were pumped out and engineers completed an assessment of the damaged infrastructure. We'll pump the water out of the hole that we have, LADWP Chief Operating Officer Anselmo Collins said during a news conference. We'll make an assessment that will determine then how long it will take us to make the repairs. Collins acknowledged that Los Angeles has an aging water network, but said the utility replaces approximately 45 miles of pipeline annually as part of an ongoing infrastructure improvement program. The city maintains roughly 7,400 miles of water pipes.
Already gonna slip it. Oh my. Look at this. Look at this. Down the hill.
Authorities closed several major roads, including eastbound Sunset Boulevard between Larrabee Street and Sherbourne Drive, portions of Holloway Drive, Santa Monica Boulevard, and Palm Avenue, urging motorists to avoid the area while repairs continue. The flooding also damaged multiple parked vehicles, including cars inside underground garages, while a metro bus was partially submerged in floodwaters. Emergency crews continued inspecting nearby buildings for structural damage throughout the day. Officials said drinking water remains safe despite the pipe failure, and service interruptions have been limited to a small number of customers directly connected to the damaged main. The incident is the latest reminder of the challenges facing aging infrastructure across Southern California. Similar water main failures have occurred periodically in the Los Angeles area, prompting renewed calls for accelerated investment in replacing older pipelines before they fail. West Hollywood Mayor John Heilman said at the press conference that all residents were fine and that none would have to evacuate the area.
Everyone should avoid the area as the DWP crews work urgently to address this situation.
The good news is that all of our residents, to our knowledge, are safe, he said. There was some street flooding this morning, some sub-garages that were flooded, but that seems to be abating. Our city staff responded immediately. We have set up an evacuation zone if that appears to be necessary. But at this time, it does not appear that any of our residents will have to evacuate.
Yeah. There you go, film it. Oh, I ain't filming everything. God damn it. Oh shit. Man.
The public was urged not to drive in the area, and the Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department issued a Nixle advisory at approximately 5 a.m. Thursday with the following road closures. Eastbound Santa Monica. Boulevard is closed between San Vicente Boulevard and Hancock Avenue. Eastbound Holloway Drive is closed between Sunset Boulevard and Westmount Drive. Eastbound Sunset Boulevard is closed between Larrabee Street and Sherbourne Drive. Larrabee Street, Palm Avenue, and Hancock Avenue are closed northbound and southbound between Sunset and Santa Monica Boulevards. A massive sinkhole opened up on a West Hollywood sidewalk near Sunset Boulevard after the streets became flooded, according to KTLA. The local news channel reports that 2 men fell into the sinkhole. A line of cars could be seen driving past the sinkhole as neighborhood residents and commuters headed to work during morning rush hour. A West Hollywood bus yard below Santa Monica Boulevard was also inundated with water. Officials with Los Angeles Metro said it would impact bus service in the area. On bus lines 16 and 105, northbound and westbound buses will lay over on San Vicente Boulevard in front of the Pacific Design Center. Eastbound and southbound buses will detour via Robertson Boulevard between Santa Monica Boulevard and Melrose Avenue, the agency said Thursday.